Motorhomes are extremely popular in North America and Europe, but recreational vehicles or RVs are yet to take off as a mode of traveling in India. But this Bengaluru startup has launched a luxury motorhome which is home on wheels really, and claims it is the safest way to travel today. Tourism industry in India is facing an unprecedented crisis and is all set to lose 15 lakh crore rupees over the next 3 quarters. The deadly virus has fast-tracked the personalized travel industry, keeping in mind social distancing norms. Lux Campers premium motorhomes were unveiled by Karnataka's Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa in June, and these Indianized motorhomes have an array of features for up to 4 people. Designed by a German firm and made in India by Ashok Leyland, the Lux Camper has 4 seats, 2 queen beds, a fully functional kitchenette with an induction stove, microwave oven, refrigerator, and a tiny dining area to go with. For entertainment while on the go, the motorhome comes equipped with a Bluetooth music system and 2 televisions. And yes, there is 4G Wi-Fi. The rooftop solar panels power all the appliances, including the AC and the heater inside the Lux Camper. The incinerator-type toilet ensures that only bio-ash is disposed of. Along with the shower cubicle inside, one can also open up the external shower once parked, or fire up the attached barbecue grill. The startup hosts a few curated trails leading to camping spots, and more are being added. Lux Camper has tied up with several homestays and jungle lodges and resorts. Right now, you could choose trails leading to camping sites at Bandipura, Bhimeshwari, Hampi, Kabini, Kodagu, Kudremukha, Sakleshpur and Sitanandi. A Lux Camper comes with the services of a certified driver and an experienced guide, whose cabin is completely isolated from the guest dwelling unit. Vinay Luthra, a former Karnataka Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, is the board director. The Bengaluru startup is backed by Anil Kumble, musician Vijay Prakash, Aprameya Radhakrishna, Jawad Ayaz and other angel investors. The company claims incessant and thorough cleaning before travel. Camping sites are said to be designed to minimize social contact with others. Lux Camper sure does add to the variety of Bengaluru startup scene. Do let us know if you would like to try out the motorhome in the comments below.